Your Lordship, one of the issues that was before the impeachment was that the Deputy President, the petitioner herein, indicated that Kenya is a shareholding country. There are shareholding agreements before you, and that positions either in parastatals or corporations were to be shared in accordance to that share agreement.
But that is the reason why his client got impeached. That is not anything that is before you for determination. That is the reason he got impeached.
You'll be given an opportunity to respond. Even if you are itching, Mr. Nyamondi, take your call. Your Lordship, it is my client's submissions that Florence Auma Oluoch may have been a beneficiary of that shareholding. Your Lordship, finally, Your Lordship,
kindly, just
we have...
just a minute.
It is extremely unfair and unjust, especially for an advocate to mislead or what we have seen to play to the gallery like evidence. Can you read paragraph 12 of the affidavit? So that he does, no. Yes. Let's hear it from him, where he says that the said board is chaired by the president, who has... So can you kindly do it properly so that you don't...
I'm sorry, I'm not...
Excuse me. No, excuse me. No.
Hold on.
Your honors, your leadership and my lords, they will have time, as you said, to respond and say all these things. If he's saying nonsense, they will stand up and say so. But this constant interruption is intended to derail this hearing. Let them respond when their time comes. Yes.
And
stop bullying people.
And we abhor the condescending nature of the respondents. Everybody here has been instructed by a client either to speak sense or nonsense. So that being the case, the condescending attitude is completely objectionable. And everybody should take their seat and use their time with sense. If sense can only come from them, they do it during their time.
Thank you very much. Sir, can I finish what
My
I
Lord,
said?
may I be protected to urge my application and the respondents be granted an opportunity to respond?
Finish what I was saying.
You will have your time.
I know I will have
to
my
respond.
time, but please, this is the application being presented. Let's not have other things.
It has been served upon you.
You will respond.
Just permit me to say one thing. Just one thing.
Your Honor, if I'm allowed to just say something.
Just a minute, just a minute, Counsel.
Let applicants finish their case and then people will respond. Because this interjections is just going to affect the conduct of the proceedings. It's very unfair. Let everybody have a chance. Each person has 10 minutes, others have 5 minutes. Let them utilize their time. But these objections in between is unfair and it's affecting the flow.
Come to court and say that.
My lords, this is what I want to say.
Order. Can we have some order? Can we please have some order? Harvey, you may proceed.
A judge is first, an advocate is second, an advocate. We are all here advocates. My plea is we conduct these proceedings in an orderly manner. As Professor Gibu Mugai used to remind us when we were in school, to be an advocate, you are a superior mortal. Can we just be slightly superior and deal with this thing in an intelligent way?
Mr. Ndegwa, use your remaining time to conclude.
I am most obliged, Lordship. It may be noted that, Your Lordship, that the chair of this board is directly appointed by the President, the six respondents in this case. Your Lordship, may I submit again that the perception out there is that this bench has been constituted for a particular purpose, and that the bench is just a mere conveyor belt, and that the parties herein will not have the chances to have justice of their case being dispensed. Your Lordship, I have annexed a tweet by Senior Counsel Ahmed Nasir, annexed in our affidavit at paragraph 12, And I would wish to read that tweet, Your Lordship. Arhame Nasir, Your Lordship, is a senior member of this bar.